All right, good morning. Welcome to the Jim of All Trades channel. Glad you made it by. My name's Jim. I'm a crypto trader and a forex trader here to help you understand the market from an Elliott Wave perspective. You just got finished taking care of the Discord group this morning, guys. We had a lot of action going on in the market. We wanted to make sure everybody was set up and ready to go for the next trade, and I want to take care of you guys now. Don't forget, this isn't financial advice. Never intended to be financial advice. All right, we got a reversal type candle, guys, on XRP. Are we going to the moon? We bounced off the trend line, guys, that we talked about last night. I said I wouldn't be surprised if we get a bounce here, and we certainly did. And I want to talk about what I'm seeing in the chart, where it's going, and why I think it's going there. So don't forget, again, not financial advice, but what I'm going to do is tell you how I'm trading it, and if that helps you, fantastic. Bitcoin also had a move to the upside. We're going to look at that and correlate XRP and Bitcoin and see if we can figure out some targets and some wave action that we think might be happening. Okay, let's jump into the chart here, guys, and let's talk about what I'm seeing here. Let me go to the 2-hour chart. We'll just kind of look and see. I'm going to remove all my drawings here. There we go. Clean up the chart and just take a peek here. But this right here, guys, when you get an engulfing candle like this, that's beautiful. That's signals that we're going to get some kind of a reversal. Even if it's just 3 waves or a smaller wave, it's going to be a substantial wave to trade. Okay, and so I'm going to give you the trade setup that we're seeing in the market now. But first off, what we were hypothesizing last night in the chart here, let me actually go to a different XRP chart. I'm very sorry, guys. Let me just do that really quick. XRP, I want to do Binance there. There we go. Binance doesn't have that giant wick. There we go. Perfect. It's a better chart. The Coinbase chart has a huge wick that none of the other charts have. So I wanted to get that off the screen. Let me just clear the screen here. Remove the drawings. Perfect. I do want to get this back on the... sorry, fellas. Ladies. Okay, and we'll get that channel back in there. Actually, I drew that wrong. Let me draw it again. There we go. Perfect. Excuse me. So what we did here is we have a 3-wave move here, at least what it looks like. And what happened is, what fib did it come to? Guys, it didn't even make the 786. It hit our trend line right here and then just turned around. Okay, didn't even hit the 786. That's concerning to me. That tells me that, guys, we do not, it never came down to target. And so that tells me that we don't have a finished structure to the downside yet. But doesn't mean we're not going up. Let me show you what I'm seeing here. Most likely, I believe now what's going to happen. This is my bias here. This is I actually put out a video a while back. It says beware, pump and dump coming. So this is the pump that I warned you about. The pump that I warned you about is here. Watch out for the dump now, okay? But it's going to pump for a bit. We can trade it. So let me talk to you about how we're going to do it. So basically, what we have now possibly in the works, this is my hypothesis here, based upon the data that I have, is that we're getting a flat right here. We're getting a 3-wave up, a 3-wave down, and now we're going to get a 5-wave impulse to the upside. It's going to be fairly fast. It's not going to go straight up. I don't think we should get pullbacks along the way. We're waiting for our first 3-wave pullback so that we can get in on that trade. Okay, so that's what I'm expecting. And so basically what we then would have here is we have a 3-wave move here. Then we got this 3-wave move there. So we're going to bring the line over here. And then we're going to get a 5-wave down like that. And that's going to be a larger flat, guys. And that's how we're going to get down to our lower targets. And the market, just kind of faked us out here a little bit. Didn't come down. Looked like it was going to make it down to our targets last night. This all signs pointed to going to target, and sure enough, they reversed it before going to target. They reversed it off that trend line. So that's what the market does. That's how they have to operate. And I gave a good explanation of that today to my Discord, why the market does stuff like that. So with that being said, guys, we're looking for this up wave, something like this. That's at least a trade idea we want to keep in the forefront of our mind for a potential. Okay, so that's what we're kind of looking for here, a wave to the upside here. About this region to make a flat. We'd pull the fibs. Let me give you a couple of targets here. Now, this could be validated. Obviously, all trade ideas are only trade ideas until they, and we trade them until they get invalidated. So right here are our targets, 65 and 72 cents. Shoot, we could even come up here at break the high, okay, which I wouldn't be surprised to break the high barely, okay, and then come down very quickly off the top right here for a 5-wave move down, okay, and that would give us a 3-wave move, and then we continue on to the upside. So either that wave might be in play. That's what I'm kind of looking at in XRP. Excuse me. Okay, so let's talk about then BTC from a similar perspective. So we talked about in our trading group this morning in our Discord that it's possible we could get the matrix move that I was talking about here, where we call it a matrix move, a 3-wave move there, and this is going to actually be a 3-wave move to the upside somewhere around this region here. 22,000 is a really good target that we're watching, and then a fast wave to the downside, something like that, and then what we have is basically a flat. That then we get the continuation. Would that not just wreck everybody? Okay, everybody. If this thing came all the way back down here, everybody would be saying, "Oh, we're dumping. We're going forever." Crypto Kirby would put out his video, and we're going to go to the crypto abyss, and then everybody's just talking crypto abyss, and then there she goes. Okay, and then that's just how the market functions. The market moves like that over and over and over again, guys. And so I'm not sure that this is going to happen. I can't be certain. There is no certainty in the market, but I've got an Elliott wave count that gets us up into this region. We got a nice count here that really looks like it might even just play out just like this. Okay, and then a 5-wave down, and so it'll be boom, 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 and then up we go. So that's kind of what we're looking at, guys, as a potential. But guys, let me just say this, and I said it very strongly to the group this morning. We are not breakout traders. Okay, on this channel, we are not breakout traders because just as they break out, and then everybody FOMOs in, on the breakout. Okay, it goes up a little bit, then they take it down. Okay, so just realize, guys, this thing may even pump up to 22,000, and that's actually, we're looking for an entry long if we want to trade it, but it's got to be our setup. It's got to be what we're looking for, and a specific criteria set, and that we look for a trade setup to get in on that trade. But we never get in long at the top of a big green candle ever. We never do that. Why? Why don't we do that? Well, because whenever you get these straight up moves like this, guys, look at this. Okay, this was straight up, and then they just kind of fall over. Okay, when you get these straight up moves like this, okay, you get the pullbacks. Okay, you get the dumps that follow. These straight up moves are not the beginning of something generally. It's the middle to the end of something. It's usually the exhaustion candle, or it's exhausting the move, okay? And so right now we have a count here on the subwave count. Let's go to the 15-minute chart, and I'll just kind of show you the count of this wave. We have basically something like a 1, 2. All of this is 3. Three may not be done. It might even come up here a little bit. 3, 4, and then 5. Get us up to about 22,000, and then tank we go. Okay, so if you want to trade this, you can, but you need to know how to trade it. You need to know how to get in on that wave, and so we're waiting for a specific criteria and a specific setup to get on that. If you want to learn that and be part of the Discord, we invite you in. We do teaching every day. I explain that setup. I explain how to do it. I actually go live when that setup is playing out. I do several lives a day. Yesterday I did 4 live streams in the Discord. No, 3 live streams in the Discord, and then 1 on YouTube. And I was just pretty exhausted yesterday, but there was a lot going on yesterday, and so it was a great day. We won that trade last night, the XRP short, and we want to now get on this long. Okay. So if there's any room left, but we don't want to FOMO in without knowledge and understanding. So, all right, guys, you guys have a great day. Watch out, guys. This pump may turn into a dump around 22,000. Shoot, it doesn't have to get to 22,000. It could dump before that. It could go higher than that. I don't know where it's going. I'm not here. So you trolls that are saying, yeah, it could go up or down. So great TA. I always get that comment. That's not trading, guys. Listen, it could go up or down, and I don't know where it's going. But I've got some structure on the chart that's kind of giving me an idea and an edge on where it might go, and I trade with that edge. And so that's how I trade, and I'll keep giving you that information as I see it, and share the content on the video. So you guys have a great day. Thanks for stopping by the channel. Don't forget to share the love. Share the love. Like, subscribe, do all that stuff that YouTube loves. Guys, this channel has blown up in the last week. About 1,000 subscribers in the last month. That's pretty cool. I mean, I'm not a big guy on YouTube, but it's pretty neat. Thanks. Those of you that watch the channel, you want to see it grow? Maybe you don't want to see it grow. Maybe you just like a tight-knit community. That's no problem too. But share the love anyway. That helps my family out. When as the channel grows, and then I'll continue to give you better and better content as I'm able to. All right, you guys have a great day. We'll talk to you later. Bye bye.